Did you ask him about that other stuff? What are you going to repent for? Shirley, if I hang up real quick, that's because it's lightning out here and the wind's blowing really hard. Can you hear the thunder? That's because I'm outside and the wind's blowing really hard and it's thundering and lightning. I'm taking a video, but I don't know if I got any lightning or not yet. Okay, I'm not sure if I got any lightning or not. Bye. Oh man, shoot. I missed that one. I don't think I got that squeaky one. I had turned the other way, unfortunately. That's the one I want to get. I probably won't do it again anytime too soon. I bet your electricity goes off again too. I can't tell if it's getting any lightning or not. Or if I did or not. Oh, me. Here it comes, Jared. The rain. Definitely lightning. I go stand in it. I'm not scared of the lightning. Woo!